In this video, I will show you how to make blue glow effect in CapCut. So there is two ways to create the blue glow effect in CapCut. So the first one, you can be able to add it to an object or to text. So let's start with the text. So now go ahead and click on this text. Click on this text. So now here is my text. So if I want to add the blue glow effect to this text, just select the text, go to this text section, basics, scroll to down. If you scroll to down under the basic, there is an option which says glow. So click on this glow. So here it will give you the glow. So I'll choose this one. So this is the beta. I'll just click on this glow and then choose the blue. So now I add the blue effect to my text. If you scroll to down, there is these two options. So go ahead and choose this range. So you can increase the range of the blue, or you can increase the thickness of blue. So as you can see now, this intensity will increase the thickness, and the range will increase the white of the text, the glue. So there is it now. So now if you want to add the blue glow effect to an object, all you have to do now, I'll use text as an example to my object. I'll add the text. After I add this text, I'll go to this section. So here is the text. I'll go to this section and delete all the text. After I delete all the text, I'll just type in full stop. After I type in full stop, I'll increase the size. So after I increase the size, as you can see now I get a shape. So all you have to do now, under this text object, scroll to down. So here you can go ahead and check on this glow. So after you check on this glow, there is two effects, as you can see now. This first one, it will give you the glow at the bottom, and the second one, it will give you the glow through the entire object. So I'll choose this second one. I'll click on this color. I'll go ahead and choose this blue. So I'll scroll to down again. I'll change the range, and then scroll to down. I'll change the intensity and range. So now you can go ahead and use your blue effects on your object or text. And that's it, guys. If this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.